Good evening, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How-Tos with Romona. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly change your Facebook password on an Android phone. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have the Facebook app downloaded on your phone. If you don't already have the Facebook app, you want to make sure that you go to your Play Store, type in Facebook in the search. And right now, as you can see, the green button says open. Yours will say install. Go ahead and install it, and I'll meet you back here. Now that you have the Facebook app installed on your Android phone, go ahead and click on the app icon. Once you get into the Facebook app, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner of your page. This is also called a hamburger menu. Click on those three lines. You're going to scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Then click on Password and Security. Once you get to the password and security page, you want to scroll down to where it says login and then click on change password. Once you're inside, go ahead and add your current password. Then type in a new password and then retype the new password. Then click on the blue update password button. Once you've done that, you're all set. Your password should have changed. Once again, I want to thank you for hanging in there with me. This is Romona from Social Media How-Tos with Romona. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and click on the like button. Click on subscribe to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And with that, I say, have a great evening.